Launch Inventory Ahead today and you will see the option to connect your selling channels quickly. By default, we open up to Dashboard. To start, navigate to Administration section, located on the left sidebar of your screen, and choose the Selling Channels category. Select the specific channel you would like to connect and hit the Connect button. From this point, you have to follow 4 simple steps. First, choose your unique store name and the desirable currency. Visit the link displayed on the second step and log in with your JET credentials. Toggle the Live Test switch on the left side navigation panel to switch the API from Test Environment to Live Environment. Click on Get API Keys. Then, copy and paste the API user and secret into your Inventory Ahead screen. Whenever you're ready, hit the Connect button and let your account download and sync your inventory. Simple as that!